What?
There's a lot of stuff in your ass.
Oh, sure. Oh.
Yeah. I can tell you the truth. I want to do that. Well, we've got the hen, then the wedding, then another hen, and then another wedding.
How's that job for more hours?
I know.
I've got payments. I've got hens to go on.
Be fun. I've got mine tomorrow. My brother's girlfriend's going to come and do my hair and my mum's going to put my hair. Whose wedding is it? Your mum's friend? Yeah. You know the one that in the white tie that comes a bit there? Yeah, Stacey. Yeah, her. Yeah, maybe. Mine. That way. But she's nervous. Yeah? I think it's good. I'm getting nervous or I'm more excited than nervous. She probably is nervous, but she just don't want to say it. Yeah. Even though she's known me a long time. She's known me since I was a baby. She's got two kids. Sort of Max and Justin.
Who's got exams soon? When we come back on the Tuesday?
Yeah. Me and Olivia got, is it 1 English and then 2 maths? Yeah.
I've got maths.
Oh.
Maths is on the Tuesday.
Yeah,
but
the
we
7th.
come back,
I'm
yeah.
supposed to be training, but fine.
Exams comes first.
What have you got your maths and English?
The 7th, the 10th and the 13th we've got. But I just rather, I would have rather done it all in 1 week. So, let's get it all done with.
Yeah, but then everyone will moan saying everyone's being pressurised to do it all in a week. They need a break. They'll moan at us.
Yeah.
It's a vicious circle, honestly. You can't do right for doing wrong. And plus, it's not just our college, it's every single college at 9 o'clock on that Tuesday will be all getting ready for all the exams.
What about schools?
Huh?
What about schools?
Schools are doing it as well because my brother's just done it.
Yeah.
It stops cheating, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it stops cheating. Because you might have a sibling that does it
Are you
beforehand.
filming? For you two?
Yeah, we might do that. Yeah.
Yeah, or copying. Or
Yeah, might
like
be
that.
able to tell you what's coming up.
Yeah.
So that's why.
Don't bring that phone with you, Olivia.
Yeah.
I can't believe that.
What happened with that? Oh, I had an alarm. I completely forgot it was in my pocket. And my alarm went off and my mum set it.
Why did she set it for that time when you
Then I just looked at the box.
Did you tell her that it went off?
Yeah, he said I didn't mean to set it that time. You know what's spraying your foot? Go up. I'm not great. And I went to
Bye, Duck. Ta-ta. Stop. Ta-ta.
Give me a photo, Charlie, please. Samuel.
Please. Do you want to be on it?
I'll just say hi. And that's it.
Good.
Oh, God.
Where's that little hospital?
Quite big. Thank you.
Yeah, go.
Mike, do you give me a photo? You uploading it to YouTube?
Yeah.
Mike, do you give me a photo then?
Watching a duck. I've got 2 more to do.
Okay.
You were just supposed to take, but you just having a bit of a knick-knack.
Yeah.
Someone want to go and give Charlie a hand?
Yes, please. Can someone just give it?